Hey everyone, it's Paul from Day to Day Fixes. In this episode, we'll be unboxing and installing this video doorbell holder for doors. This is good if you are living in an apartment or renting and you don't have existing wiring. This is a good option. First, you have to check if your door slit is greater than 0.06 of an inch. And your door thickness should be between 0.59 of an inch and 2.36 of an inch. The max video doorbell size should be 5.9 inches tall, 2.59 inches wide, and 1.77 inches thick. Everything you need for the installation comes in a case. Comes with pads in case the doorbell's a lot smaller, you can put them in there. I'm going to be using an old video doorbell camera that I replaced with a wired one. This particular one does come with an SD card, so you can view previous footage remotely. I'll take out the padding that is around the box since it looks like this was made for a Blink video doorbell. I will put the appropriate padding that I need for this particular one and put some padding on the sides so that way the doorbell doesn't move from side to side. Now we just need to put the back plate on with the provided screws. It even comes with its own screwdriver. The bottom screw is the security screw for the video doorbell holder. And now, since my video doorbell holder should be going on the left side of the door if you're looking at it from the outside, that's the way I'll be installing it. If it needed to go on the right side, looking at the door from the outside, the bracket would need to be installed the other way. Now let's install this at the door. I will be putting it above this lock since I have another lock below that one. Now I'm just dry fitting the case, closing the door, and it fits perfectly. All I need to do is turn that knob and we're done. Here is the finished result. There is no space there, no gap there either. It is pushed against the door. There is a pad there so that way it wouldn't damage the door. Now we take a look from the outside, and that's how it looks. Someone decided to come out while I open the door, and now he wants to go back in. His name is Junior. Now back to the installation. I looked at the camera on the app, and this door frame is about 9 inches from the door. And looking at the video on the app, you can see part of it on the right side, the red portion. It doesn't bother me too much, but there are holders that you can turn at an angle. I will link them in my description as well as link the one that I'm using here. Keep in mind they're affiliate links and they do help out the channel. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful.